Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about joints and their types, their functions and their structures. Okay. So in our body there are three types of joints. First is cartilaginous, second is fibrous and third is synovial. So the classification of joints is depending on structure and their movements. So in this video we are going to talk about their structures and their types according to their structures, and we will slightly talk about their movements. Okay. So first of all, the joints. What is the role of joint? We will talk about. The role of the joints are to support the structure of the body. ओके, एंड देयर मूवमेंट. जो बॉडी ये मूव कर पाती है ना, जो स्ट्रक्चर है बॉडी की ये मूव कर पाती है, तो ये जॉइंट का ही कमाल है. ओके. सो द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज फाइब्रस जॉइंट. द एग्जांपल ऑफ फाइब्रस जॉइंट्स इन अवर बॉडी आर गोम्फोसिस, सिंडेस्मोसिस, आपका रेडियो अल्नर जॉइंट और सुचर जॉइंट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फाइब्रस जॉइंट्स. ओके. Next is cartilaginous joint. Cartilaginous joint is made up of cartilage. Okay. Cartilage या cartilaginous joint is flexible but tough. Okay. Tough structure है but flexible भी है. Okay. The examples of cartilaginous joint will be आपका pubic symphysis और साथ ही साथ आपका जो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम है आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दिस जॉइंट. ओके. बिकॉज द cartilaginous joints, these joints are slightly movable. That's why we put these joints in the category, this joint in the category of MPR arthrotic joint. ओके. सो साथ ही साथ बात कर लेते हैं मूवमेंट और फंक्शन के आधार पर. आपके जॉइंट्स थ्री कैटेगरी में डिवाइड होते हैं: आर्थ्रोटिक एंड डाईआर्थ्रोटिक और सिनआर्थ्रोटिक. सिनआर्थ्रोटिक जॉइंट्स आर इमूवेबल, दे कांट मूव. ओके. और आर्थ्रोटिक जॉइंट्स आर द जॉइंट्स विच कैन मूव बट स्लाइटली. ओके. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी पुट fibrous joints in the category of cartilaginous joint in the category of amphiarthrotic. Okay. And the third type, which is diarthrotic, is completely movable. Okay. And the third and the last our joint is synovial joint. All the movements are present in the synovial joints. Okay. So the synovial joints can move freely. Okay. So that's why all the synovial joints, all the category of synovial joints are put into diarthrotic category. Okay. So now let's talk about its type, the type of synovial joints. There are 6 types, and the first type is ball and socket joint. As its name clear, ball and socket joint. Okay. Like ball and socket like structure. So this there is an important point about this joint, and that is this is highly mobile joint. This joint is highly movable and can perform all the movements like flexion, extension, आपका abduction, adduction, rotation, all the movements it can perform. That's why it is called champion of all the joints. Okay. And the example of this joint is or are hip and shoulder. Okay. Next we have saddle joint. As its name's clear, it is like the saddle on a horse. Okay. It is made up of surfaces like concave and convex surfaces. Okay. The example of this joint is carpal and metacarpal joints. And last thing about this joint is the example sorry, the movements, all the movements are present in the saddle joint except rotation. Okay, next we have hinge joint. Hinge joint can move in only one direction, one axis. Okay, example of this joint are elbow and knee. So basically this joint can do only flexion and extension. Flexion and extension. Okay, next we have plane joints or gliding joints. In this joint we can see gliding motion, okay, over one another. Wrist acromioclavicular joint are the examples of this joint. Okay, we can see here gliding motion. Next we have pivot joints. Pivot joints also move in one axis, but the movement here is rotatory. Okay, next and final we have condyloid or ellipsoid joint. These joints can do all of the rotations, sorry, all of the movements except rotation. Okay, here we can see all the movements, flexion, extension, आपका abduction, adduction, but the rotation is not present here. And the last point about condyloid or ellipsoid joint is the surface of one bone here is oval shape, and the surface of another bone here is socket shape. Okay, like ball and socket joint. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet again in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, love you all, be victorious.